It's 4 a.m. I gotta get out of bed, go load the car. Let's go.
Hey guys, 5:12. How's the song go? Carry on my wayward son. There'll be peace when you are done. Lay your weary head to rest. Don't you cry no more. So I'm sitting here, Valencia, setting up, baby. And up at 4 on the floor, trying to get her done. All right, guys, as they say, all the world is a stage. This time the stage is right on top of our spot. I don't think they'll let us put our tent right there, so we gotta improvise. We're over here today. There you go, man. It's the only day we ever get to let loose, right here. Wackadoodles, let loose. I did. What other superstars can we see tonight? I don't know. Alright, so there's my MacBook. Push the button. Hear the sound. You hear the sound. The chime went off, right? Black screen. Nothing. I pressed every button. I went to the computer store and they said that it's finally DOA. It's no good. So, it's a 2015 late model, and it lasted until January 1 of all days. January 1, 2023, it was totally done. So, even the keyboard lights up, see? So, yeah, can't edit that way, right? Brought back to life a Lenovo I had bought, but I never used. And now I have to relearn a completely different editing software program and learn how to use Windows again. So crazy stuff, but we'll figure it out. It's just gonna take a little while longer. Just bear with me. This is our first superstar customer. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
And your name?
Eric.
Eric.
Yeah.
And you have a shop right over here. And what do you sell?
That is you have what we call as panakot, is a garlic, and then the onion, and then we have a banana, and we have a uling.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
This is and we have our
What is that? Burritos?
no, this
it's
is
a wrap. So here's where he's at. We're at Marco's store, Marco's grocery store, and his shop is just right over here, you guys. And I'll show you what he sells. So if you're down here, give him a little bit of business. Looks like he's maybe got charcoal. He's got some vegetables, some fruits. Sells some brooms. So if you need a few things, come down here and check him out. He is our very first customer. So we're just opening up, we're just starting out, you guys. Very cool. Very cool. Welcome, you guys. And what can you tell me about your guys' club?
Well, it's very easy to tell. We hike twice a week. We meet in Valencia, that's next to the red table, at 8 o'clock on Saturday and Wednesday.
Okay.
It's always undecided, the hikes sort of depend on the weather and on the mood. Usually it's about 2 hours, hopefully in the forest, not on the paved road. So we got many different locations that we
Nice.
generally speaking, yes, ladies also hike, and they would very welcome more ladies, and we are just a bunch of foreigners who enjoy hiking.
Nice.
That's it, yeah.
So how many years has your group been together?
As far as I know, I'm here only 9 years, and then it existed already. Yeah.
Wow. So there's a group that goes over to Mount Talanis.
Salinas? No, there's other groups of hikers.
Okay.
So we are just Valencia
Okay.
type of group, you know. That
So just in this
kind
area.
of, mainly, I mean, Europeans, a lot of them, but yeah, mixed group.
Okay. Well, nice.
Yeah, everybody welcome. Join us. Just go there.
I appreciate
8 o'clock,
it.
And
Cool.
thank
Yeah, it's good to get the word out, you guys. So thank you.
you. Welcome.
So how big is your group usually when you guys go hiking? What's the numbers?
Between 4 and one time we were 18, so I guess that's it.
Morning, guys. It's 2 a.m. I woke up and it's still raining. And it's not like it's like a light rain. It's like it's a constant, medium to heavy rain, just non-stop. And this started, let's see, it started raining, I think, about 10, 11 a.m. yesterday, and it picked up about probably noon to 1, and then it just started constant. And I was over at my friend Bob's, who's helping me get my computer going, and I thought, you know, I don't think this rain's letting up. I think I'm just gonna go now. And so I went home and I drove from Dumaguete to Valencia, and the rain was just really coming down. The roads were probably super saturated to the point where I'm lifting my legs up on my motorcycle going through this heavy rain. And I get home about 7 p.m., 6 p.m. We got home 6 p.m. because the power went out. And I noticed the roof's leaking, and it was leaking a little bit before. Now it's really leaking because it's raining so much it just can't handle this. And when I set these pails out, it was raining quite a bit. Now I'm looking at them. See there where it's collecting, and it's all the way into the bedroom, so it's 2 rooms. It's like the end part of the apartment. So we've got like what's called red rainfall warning. It was orange, now it's red. And the thing of it is after the first 2 hours, it was too much rain, right? And now it's been raining nonstop. And I've lived in Oregon, and I've seen like maybe a couple inches of rainfall. This looks like it was maybe another inch and a half in this pail's worth of rain before I really started to collect it in the pail because it was on the floor. So this could be like, I'm gonna say 4 or 5 inches of rain already. If this is accurate, what's coming down the roof, what's leaking through this little hole down into this pail. I mean, I could be wrong, but there's a lot of water coming down. I'm really concerned for the community at this point. There's gonna be some real big issues.
All right, so I just rode down here by the cockpit farm down in Valencia just to get a look at the river and see how high the river's been. And it's not as bad as I thought it would be, but it'll still be several hours before the collecting rain ends up coming down here.
So that's what I see. It's roaring pretty good, but it still could come up a long ways before it was an issue in this area. Maybe downstream it might be more of a problem, but here it seems to be not so bad.
That's about it, you guys. Just trying to get up and rolling, trying to get the computer going, trying to get the business going. And so far things are starting to connect together, so it won't be long. We'll be making more videos, and that's a good thing because I kind of miss editing. But getting the laptop up and going and having to use a completely new software that's not Mac, that's kind of a new one for me. So new learning curves, but in any event, we shall endure. See you next time.